We make him came here, run away, but hold her down with soggy clothes and breathe slow. Shivers in your fevers with me again. Never kisses, or do you ever send a postcard?
Hey guys, I like to walk here, and that's my friend. His name is Buddy. Look at this little pine tree. This little pine trees and this little pine tree. Oh my god, and these trees. Ah, it's cute. We will cross the railway with this simple way. Nice. I love Russian nature the most in Russia. We have some flowers, but now is September, so we have not so many flowers as in summer. Yeah. Maybe you'll ask me what is it? It's just an electrical tower. We have connection, mobile or cell connection. In YouTube, when you have a lot of different content, you won't pay attention to this video exactly, but my conception is just to say you that you can find your happiness in the simple things. Now I feel distracted because of school, because of my 11th grade. It's the last grade in Russia, and I need to pass my exams, a lot of exams. Oh, do you hear the train? Going to sunset. Yeah, that's the sun. Maybe you'll ask me, why do we have so many trains here? I'll answer that. That's электрички. Electric trains, I don't know. They go from Moscow to Sergiev Posad. And I live between these towns. They're beautiful. Just want to show you the last dandelion, I think, because it's 6th of September. Oh, fluffy dandelion. Will I pick it? What do you think? Buddy? Buddy! What do you think? I think no. It should live. This is the rose here. Usually it keeps up in autumn. I think it's ready to taste it. If you have never seen the rose hip, I'll show you it. Usually we don't eat it, just like raspberry, but I'll taste. So, no, it's not prepared. It's full of seeds. We walk in the wire. Love. I always put a bottle of water into my bag. I think it's necessary for walks. If you feel bad, embarrassed, stressed or something like that, you should just go to lake, forest or somewhere, some place that you have never visited, and just explore. Touch, except of hogweed, exactly. Touch, smell. Where should we go now? Run! Run, buddy! Buddy, run! Run, buddy, run! Run, 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 run! Fast, fast, fast! Yeah! Yeah! Run to the sunset! I just want to show you our railroad. I like to walk here sometimes. And the main idea of my simple blog is to show you that I like simple things. Also, I learn English, and blog is just the way to learn it. It's good practice, and if you hear something nasty, something bad, something that can injure your ears, sorry, please. Just want to find something new and to learn English. And that's the little bridge to another side. Go to the opposite side again. Autumn is coming. Beautiful. And this road is going exactly to my house. This house is really perfect because they have so perfect grass. Oh my gosh. So thanks for watching. Our station was more than 1 kilometer, but it's alright. It's alright.